Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Garry's Mod on an iPad. While Garry's Mod is a fantastic PC game, it isn't natively available for direct installation on Apple's iPad devices. The only way to experience this creative sandbox game on your tablet is through the power of cloud gaming. This method allows you to stream the game from a remote server directly to your iPad, offering a full PC experience. Cloud gaming works by running Garry's Mod on a powerful computer in a data center, then streaming the video output to your iPad. You send your controller inputs back to the server, creating a seamless experience. Services like NVIDIA GeForce Now and Xbox Cloud Gaming are excellent choices. Remember, you will need an active subscription to one of these services and a compatible Bluetooth controller to get started. To prepare your iPad, first ensure you have a very strong and stable internet connection, ideally over 50 megabits per second. Next, head to the App Store and download the official application for your chosen cloud gaming service. Finally, pair a Bluetooth controller, like an Xbox wireless controller or a PlayStation DualSense, with your iPad for the best gameplay experience. This setup is crucial. For the best possible experience, always use the fastest internet connection available, preferably a wired connection if possible, or a very strong Wi-Fi signal. Aim for speeds of at least 50 megabits per second. Close any unnecessary background applications on your iPad to dedicate resources to the game stream. Also, consider adjusting the in-game graphics settings to a lower preset for smoother, more responsive gameplay.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.